It's a national court, however, it is trying international crimes, and the Bangladesh government have withdrawn the national rules of evidence and rights from any accused and given them very restricted rights in the War Crimes Tribunal. In fact, they've withdrawn all the constitutional rights to a fair and impartial trial that an ordinary Bangladesh citizen would have. So it's a very unfair War Crimes Tribunal.
And in fact, the hearing of the first suspect who was due to start his trial today, Delawar Hussain Saeedi, that's been delayed amid claims from his team of bias being shown by the tribunal. Does it have any credibility as a war crimes tribunal?
Absolutely not. It's been condemned by the International Bar Association, Human Rights Watch, Amnesty International, and for anybody who studies these issues, you can see why it's unfair. The chairman of the tribunal, and one of the reasons why there's been an allegation of bias, is himself someone who sat on a commission that held investigations against the suspects accused and is mentioned in one of the exhibits that's a report on those matters and is in the case. So potentially he could be made a defence witness or a prosecution witness. So there is no impartiality about this tribunal at all.
And, you know, for the people who have suffered through these experiences and the families of those who were killed during this war of secession, this is a huge issue because they want to see reconciliation, they want to see justice.
Yeah, that's the point. Your commentator mentioned justice, but you don't get justice by having some sort of unfair rigged trial. What you get there is a stain on your history and something that means that you have to turn to it in years to come. It's already been 41 years since these events took place, and there's a big controversy because in fact they are only trying one side in relation to the matters that happened in the 1971 War of Liberation. There are no prosecutions of the national forces. They've been exempt from prosecution. So you're getting a very biased form of justice indeed.